Hello guys, today I will talk about in this video Fiji BATI's player list round 2. Number 1 player is Sonia Truva, fullback position, age 22, round 2. Number 2 player is Simi Velemi, position wingers, age 25, round 2, height 186 cm, weight 103 kg. Next player is Michael Sivo, position winger, height 186 cm, weight 105 kg, age 31, round 2. Next player is Tan Melen, position center, height 183 cm, weight 102 kg, age 29 year, round 2. Next player is Mikhail Gini Wings, position center, height 180 cm, weight 96 kg, age 36, round 2. Next player is Kemen Nikama, position center, height 177 cm, weight 93 kg, age 35, round 2. Next player is Waka Black, position center, height 190 cm, weight 98 kg, age 29, round 2. Next player is Pur Dongaha, position 5'8", height 180 cm, height 180 cm, weight 92 kg, age 22, round 2. Next player is Kelvin Neville, position log, height 183 cm, weight 102 kg, age 21, round 2. Hey guys, today I am talk about Cook Island AITU's player updates. Here is our first player, Zen Tiveno, position pro, height 180 cm, age 33-year-old. Next player is Xavier Wilson. This is a new player, If you know about height, age, tell me in comment section. Number 3 is Tapa Moiro. Height 190 cm, age 29, round 1. Here is our next player is Steven Masters, position fullback, height 183 cm, weight 99 kg, age 25, round 1. Next player is Ruha Nagitukura, position hooker, height 176 cm, weight 98 kg, age 24, round 1. Next player is Rickson Andrua, position fullback, round 1. If you know about age, tell me in comment section.